Nature equals future. A bio-inspired carpet. When we observe the soil and natural coverings everywhere in nature, we notice that they are not all the same. For example, the forest floor is composed of leaves of different shapes, sizes, and colors. These settle on the ground at random. We can also wonder how nature keeps these carpet of leaves without gluing it down. By understanding the organization of natural soils and adhesive properties of the plant or animal world, could we design artificial floorings in a different way?
Biomimicry is the inspiration from nature. It is at the heart of what we do since we started. Soils are efficient in nature. They do not generate any waste. Could we try to create carpet tiles that also generate minimal waste when installed? Nature has also inspired one of the designers we work with a lot, David Oakey. David decided to send his staff into the forest to get some inspiration and for them to observe how nature creates soils. They noticed that the leaves fall completely at random on the ground, but yet no one says, "Oh, look, this leaf is in the wrong place." The ground is always aesthetic and pleasing to the eye. When they returned to the office, they thought, actually, could we also try to develop our own completely random carpet designs? And so now, the colors and the lines blend, drawing a little from what nature has to offer. This allows the tiles to be installed in any way or direction. Traditional modular carpet tiles generate between 4 and 5% of waste during installation, and an even more conventional roll carpet generates between 10 and 15% of waste. The non-directional styles limit waste during installation to just 1 or 2%, which makes a big difference on surfaces such as the skyscrapers of La Défense with 45,000 and 90,000 square meters.
This non-directional style also allows time to be gained during installation and is more recyclable. By imitating nature, Interface is able to design products that function on the same principles as the living world, which means they are multifunctional, recyclable, and generate less waste.
We also thought of a second direction for our designs by using the principle of adherence in nature. Fundamentally, our carpet tiles are removable. But then, how do we get them to stick to the floor without gluing them? Hence, our inspiration from the small gecko. This small lizard climbs on walls. It does not need its whole foot to stick to the surface. It only needs a few attachment points that adhere to it, and this allows it to climb on any type of surface. This is why we have developed small adhesive squares. We call them tactiles. They are made with PET, the same plastic used for recycled bottles. The square is applied to one corner of the carpet tile. There is just one adhesive side which allows the carpet tiles to stick to one another. The carpet is held to the ground without needing any glue. Tactiles have 90% less environmental impact compared to glue. Instead of using between 70 to 150 grams of glue per square meter, here we only use 5 grams. Furthermore, in terms of indoor air quality, there is no liquid glue. The issue of atmospheric emissions of volatile organic compounds is minimal. Finally, with tactiles, there is an improved recycling potential for end-of-life products. This gives meaning to our floors and to their concept, which is first and foremost their modularity. Bioinspiration in nature allows us to innovate constantly and to constantly redesign our processes and systems.
This company creates sustainable products inspired by nature. Thanks to the founders' initiative, it also works on the principle of the reuse of waste and the use of renewable energies. The purpose of their global biomimetic approach is to stop producing any CO2 by 2020.